Screaming Death.
Stand up, guys.
Oh, Screaming Death is the name of your coaster.
Yeah.
Your team was Team Electron. That's better than Team Potato, which is I think what I think. Okay. All yours, Team Electron.
Introduce yourselves first.
Okay, so our roller coaster is this.
Introduce yourself first.
Hi, I'm Damon.
Cool.
I'm
Jason.
Jason.
Idiot.
I'm Edgar.
I'm Frank.
Oh, I'm Team.
And I'm Claudia. And I'm Diego.
Okay, this is the Screaming Death. Okay, so the Screaming Death is supposed to be a really, really scary roller coaster that will plunge you down to your deepest fears through a series of loops and funnels in which you and your other unlucky companions will feel the greatness of the Screaming Death. It's not that great. The ride is going to be available to riders at the amusement park in Six Flags over Georgia.
The Screaming Death is a 110 million roller coaster, which makes it the most expensive roller coaster in the world, passing the Everest expedition. The types of loops that can be found is a clothoid loop. Clothoid loops are loops that go in a oval shape. The roller coaster is going to have the G-force of 7, which makes it tie many other extreme roller coasters.
And the usual G-force that a human can take is like 4.
8.
I mean, 8, my bad. 4. So wait, so
The egg drop challenge was a challenge in which we had straws, cups, a Ziploc bag, yarn, tape, cotton balls, and paper clips. Most of them failed due to the way they were chopped. The video shown is an idea that actually worked.
okay, so the Daredevil dive coaster is a roller coaster at Six Flags that we tracked with the software tracker. It's a free falling dive, and we found out that the Daredevil uses a 3-wheel system that we learned about this week, where it has the wheels like a regular on a regular roller coaster car, and then it has wheels on the bottom and then wheels on the side, so it makes its curves and turns. So it has wheels in 3 different places on both sides.
Roller coaster physics. We learned about the factors occurring when a roller coaster is going to do a loop. When it reaches at the top, it goes the fastest. Once the gravity gets controlling again, and it gets slower by then and speeds up. We also learned about the heart rate in which the roller coaster moves but tries to keep the heart rate the same throughout the whole ride. We learned that the G-forces, in which we learned about the amount a human can withstand before dying on a ride. The G-force is a huge consideration.
Solar observation. We had also learned about how the sun has many colors. The colors found are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, which vary the location. We also learned that the sun will die in 5 billion years. The sun is going to die out. The earth is currently suffering its midlife crisis. We went to observatory in which we saw a huge microscope. We also learned about the pillars of creation, which created the whole universe. Thank you for watching.
So now we're going to show you how the roller coaster could be.
When we were building this roller coaster, we had to like, okay. When we were building this roller coaster, we had to we were gonna do something totally different, but we didn't have enough energy because it's not an actual roller coaster. So we had to go with this and build stuff that was, so that it could have enough energy to go down the roller coaster.
So we realized that it started at this point. So this was the highest that it was going to get because it's not like a real roller coaster. So as you can see, our supports get smaller and smaller as the roller coaster goes down. And yeah.
What's that purple thing in the middle? Yeah.
This is a,
Like a tunnel.
It's a funnel. And when the cart comes down,
It's like you keep it from getting out.
okay, when the funnel comes down, the cart will, not funnel, the cart will come and do loops around it and then fall into this hole, which comes to here, comes to another funnel that goes around it and then comes to the screen. And then this track just goes straight down to the end of the roller coaster.
What was the hardest part?
The roller coaster, the whole thing.
No, not the roller coaster.
Okay, so I think the hardest part was being able to make curves, like, because the paper wanted to go straight.
Oh yeah, and like we couldn't get it to bend.
Yeah,
So we had to like,
right now it's like so much tape holding it together. If you take one piece off, it's probably gonna fall all off. Like, it's gonna fall to pieces.
Any questions for Extreme Depth?
Okay, one comment in the slide they said there was gonna be a loop. They actually tried making the loop, but like
we didn't have enough energy.
yeah, like you said, we didn't have enough energy from the top all the way to the loop, so we had to take the loop out and add different stuff.
But this white piece right here is a part of it.
That we
Just
cut.
cut it.
Prototyping.
Yep.
Cool. Good job, guys.
Eventually, guys, with the pillars of creation, they can make the stars, they make one part, not the whole universe.